Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial maths session, and today we're going to be looking at some more maths practice questions. So before we start, I want you to make sure you've got your exercise book, something to write in. Make sure you have your pencil, make sure you have your rubber, make sure you have your ruler. So I'm going to give you a minute or two to get all those resources ready, and then we're going to make a start on the questions. So in this session, we're still going to be looking at questions that are relating to questions that have to do with numbers. The last session I did with you, we looked at numbers. We looked at how to write numbers from figures, rewrite numbers from figures to words. And then we also looked at how to write numbers from words to figures. So today we're going to continue with questions. Again, these questions are also to do with numbers. So what I'm going to do, once you're ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sharing the screen, and then we're going to go through the questions I have for you for this session. So if you're ready, then I'm ready for us to start. So on the screen, as you can see, I've got some questions, and these are questions we have for section A. So for section A, the questions we have, or the instruction we have, is to put these numbers in ascending order. But what do we mean by ascending order? Ascending order simply means we're going to rearrange or reorder the numbers from smallest to largest. So this is what we're going to do for the questions we have for section A. So let's get started. We're not going to waste any more time. We're just going to go straight into the questions. So over here, I'm going to have question 1 right here. So let's put question 1 right here. So now the easiest way to complete these types of questions, the easiest way to do this is to rewrite the numbers. But we're going to rewrite the numbers in a column using a column format. So let me show you. For question 1, we have the numbers 14,184. And the second number is 18,414. Then we have 11,848. And then we have 14,448. So now looking at all these numbers, we can see clearly that the smallest is going to be 11,848. So we're going to say this will come first. And then looking at what we have right here, we have 14,000, and then we have 14,000 right here. So if we come to the digits we have here, this is 1 and this is 4, which means the number we have right here is going to be smaller than the number we have right here. So in the second position, we're going to have this number. And then third position is going to come here. And the fourth position is going to come here, which means this will be the largest number. So coming to the numbers we have right here, the first position is going to be here. So this will be the smallest, followed by the one that comes after the smallest will be 14,184. So this will be the second number. If we put in these numbers in ascending order, this is going to be third. And then the largest is going to be the fourth one right here. I hope this is making sense. So this is a way that you can easily complete these types of questions. So we're going to come to question 2 right here. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to rewrite the numbers in a column format. So we have 35,338. Then we have 33,583. Then we have 33,835. Then we have 35,385. Now, when it comes to rewriting the numbers, in the column format that I'm using, you don't have to, but it makes it easier for you to spot the numbers that are, that are smaller. So for example, if we come here, we're going to look at the thousands. So we have 35,000, 33,000, 33,000, and 35,000. So we know that these two numbers, the two in the middle, one of them is going to be the first or the smallest number, and then the other one will be the next smallest. So we're going to come to these digits, which will be the hundreds place value position. So clearly we can say this is 5 and this is 8. So the smaller number is going to be this one. So we're going to say this will be first, and then this will be second. This is the advantage of putting the numbers in a column format, because you can see the place value positions clearly. And then we're going to come to 35,000 here, 35,000 here. So which number is going to come in the third position? Then if we come to the hundreds position here, this is 3. This is also 3. So we're going to come to the tens position. So this is 3 over here. This is 3. This one, this is 3, and this is 8, which means this number is going to be smaller. So this number comes in the third position. So we're going to put third, and the largest is going to come right here. So coming over here, the smallest is 33,583, 33,583. So this is first. Then we have 33,853. This is second. Then we have 35,338. This is third. And then the largest is this one right here. Then we're going to come to question 3. We're going to write the numbers for question 3. So we have 17,888. Then we have 18,878. So I want you to be doing exactly what I'm doing. Then we have 17,817. And then we have 18,887. So again, we're going to try and order the numbers in ascending order, which again means from the smallest to the largest. So beginning with these two, we have 17,000 and 17,000. So we have 817, 888. So 817 obviously is going to be smaller. So we're going to put first right here. And this is going to be second. And then we have 18,878 and then 887. So 878 obviously is smaller. So this is going to come in the third position. And this will be the largest. So this comes in the fourth position. So we're going to come here. The first position is 17,817. 17,817. This is first. So this will be second. And then the third will be 18,878. 18,878 is third. And then 18,887 will be fourth. I hope this is all making sense. Then we're going to come here and we're going to put we're doing question 4. So let's put question 4 right here. So again, we're going to do the same thing. So we have 44,838. Then we have 48,384. Then we have 48,438. And then we have 44,883. So once you get used to it, you can do it pretty quickly. So we're going to start from the 4, 4. So we have 8, 3, 8 is going to be smaller than 8, 8, 3. So this will be first. This will be second. And then when we come to the 48,000, 48384 is smaller than 48438. So this will be third. And this will be fourth. So once you get used to it, you can do it pretty quickly. So the first is 44838. So this is first. And this is second. So the third is going to be 48384. So this is third. And then this is fourth. So now we're going to come to the next question. So now we're going to move a little bit faster. So we have 5, 9, 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, 5. And then we have 5, 7, 7, 9, 5. We have 5, 7, 9, 5, 7. And then we have 5, 9, 5, 5, 7. So we're going to order the numbers again, beginning with a 5, 7. So this will be first. So I want you to be doing the same thing as you see me doing. So this is going to be third. And this is going to be fourth. So we're going to come here. So 5, 7, 7, 9, 5. This is first. And this is second. And 5, 5, 5, 9, 5, 5, 7 is third. And this is fourth. You can actually complete this work without having to copy out the numbers. You can do that. But if you write the numbers out using the column format that I'm using, this helps you to minimize your chances of making mistakes. So you don't have to write the numbers using the column format. You can actually just look at the numbers and then order them in ascending order, which means from the smallest to the largest. But writing the numbers this way, or writing the numbers out using the column formats that we're doing, will help you to minimize your chances of making mistakes. Now, in a typical exam situation, you wouldn't have all these numbers or all these questions to complete. So typically you might have just one of these questions. So in that case, it becomes really easy to rewrite the numbers using the column format that I'm showing you right here. So it becomes easy to order them. So again, in a typical situation, you're not going to have all these 10 questions to complete. So it will be quite easy to write out the numbers and order them in ascending order. So now coming to question 6, we can clearly see the smallest number is going to be right here, followed by this one. Then we're going to have 228029 will be third. And then this is going to be the fourth. So let's do that. So the smallest is 22809. So this is first position. This will be the second position. The third position is right here. And the fourth position is right here. So now we're going to come to question 7, which I'm going to put right here. So for question 7, we have the numbers 322, 332. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write out all the numbers, and then we're going to come back and reorder them in ascending order. So this is 322, 323, and then 323. And I want you to be careful as you write the numbers, because it's very easy to mix the numbers up. So number 8, are we coming to number 8? Yes, we coming to number 8. So these numbers from numbers 8 to numbers 8, 9, and 10, these numbers are in the millions. So you have to be careful as you write them out. So we have 7,364,346. And then we have the second number is 7,346,346,464. Then we have 7,377,447,447. Then we have 7,363,737. So we're going to come here and I'm going to put question, I'm going to have question 9 here. So for question 9, we have 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Then we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Then we have 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And then we have 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And then we have question 10. I'm actually going to slide this a little bit to the side, just like that. So for number 10, we have 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 8. Then we have 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9. Then we have 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9. So now we're going to order the numbers. Again, let's move this a little bit to the side, just like that. So now we're going to come back to question 7 and we're going to order the numbers. So all of them begin with, we have 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. So we're going to come to the third digits. So this is 2, this is 2. So the smaller number will be either this one or this one. So again, this is 2. Over here we have 2, and then we have 2. Then we come here, we have 3, and then we have 3. And then over here we have 3, but this time we have 2 here, which means the smaller number is going to be this one. So this is going to be first, and this is going to be second. This is why it's a good idea to rewrite the numbers using the column format. So now we're going to come to this one and this one because we have 3 here and we have 3 here. So if we come to the next number, which is the hundredths digit, this is 3, this is 2. So this number is going to come in the third position. And obviously the largest is going to be this one. Then we come to question 8. So now the numbers are in the millions. So we have 7777, 3333. So we're going to come here. So we have 6, 4, 7, 6. So the smallest obviously is going to be this one because we have 4 right here, which is the smaller number. So we're going to put first right here. And then we're going to look at the 6 and the 6 right here. So we have 6 here, we have 6 here, so we have to come to these ones. So we have 4, we have 3. So the second position is going to come right here. So this is going to be the second position as we put the numbers in ascending order. So now we're going to come to this 6 right here. We have 6 here, we have 7 here. So this is going to come in the third position. So we're going to put third. And then the largest is going to come right here. This is going to be the fourth position. Let's come to question 9. We've got all 2s here. Then we've got 1, 1, 1. So obviously this is going to be the largest because we have 2 right here. So let's just put the fourth position. This is going to be the largest. So we put fourth. So now between the 1, 1, 1, we're going to go to the third numbers here. So we have 1, we have 2, and then we have 1. So the one with the 2 will be the larger out of the remaining 3 numbers we have. So this will be the third position. Now notice what I'm doing. I'm kind of doing it, rearranging the numbers from largest to smallest. So now we have this number here and then the one at the bottom. So we have 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then we have 1 and we have 1. Then we have 2, but this time we have 1. So this means this 1 is smaller than this 2. So this will be the first position. And then this will be the second position. Again, this is one advantage of having the numbers in a column, the numbers written using the column format. So we come to question 10. So we have all 9s, then we have 8, 8, then we have 9, then we have 8. So the largest will be this one. So this will be the fourth position. Hopefully you understand, you follow what I'm doing. And then we have 9, 8. We've eliminated this one. So we have 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8. So here we have 9, 8, 9. We have 8 here, we have 9 here, we have 8 here. So this one will be the third position. So we're going to put third position. So now between the top number and the bottom number, we have 9, 8, 8, 9. We have 9, 8, 8, 9. We have 8, we have 8. We have 9, we have 8. So the smaller number will be this one. So this will be the first position. And then this will be the second position. So I hope this is all making sense. So now we're going to come back here, coming to question 7. The first position is 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. So this is first. And the second position is here. 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. This is second. Let's write that properly. So this is second. And then the third position is 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3. So this is third. And this is fourth. Then for question 8, the first position is 7, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. This is first. Then we have second position is 7, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 7. This is second position. Third position is 7, 3, 6, 4, 7, 3, 6, 4. This is third position. And then this is fourth position. Then we come to question 9. First position is 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So this is first. Second position is 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So this is second. Third position is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So this is third. 2, 1. This is third position. 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. And then the fourth position is 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. This is fourth. I hope this is all making sense. It's kind of long, but again, if you remember what I said earlier, it's not the normal thing for you to have all these questions to complete. You could have these kind of questions to complete for homework where you have all the time to do it. But in a typical exam situation, you're not going to have all these questions, 10 questions where you have to reorder them. At most, you might have one or two, and usually these numbers will go probably up to the thousands. That's all you'll have. So don't worry that this is taking a long time. This is only for practice to help you understand what you have to do. So question 10, the first position will be 9889. 889. 9889. 889. You see how confusing it is? It can get a little bit confusing to complete these questions. Then the second position is 9889. 89898. So this is second. Then third position is 9898. 898. This is third position. Third. And then this will be the fourth position, 99. So this is fourth position. So now we've got all the questions completed. I hope you've been able to complete all the questions, doing exactly what I'm doing. Again, you don't have to worry that we have all these 10 questions to complete. This is for practice to help you understand. And the column format that I'm showing you it's a way to make it easier for you. It's a strategy you can use to make it easier for you to reorder the numbers, either in ascending order or descending order. Descending order will be from largest to smallest. Ascending order will be from smallest to largest. So now we still have some more questions to look at. So we're going to continue on and look at the remaining questions. We have questions for section B. So let's continue on and look at those questions.